Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this video I removed the rest of the broken bolts from this bumper. I already got the first one started here. And this video is not really about how I remove them, it's about the journey that I had to take to remove the other one. You can see I got the first one out there without much trouble. So just like in the last video, I get a washer, weld the washer, and I wanted to try a bigger washer just because this one had a lot less meat. If you see the last video, you can see these bolts were broken off flush, so there wasn't really a lot of material to get out. And that one didn't even turn. So I get ready for the next one, try again. And I'm actually able to get about a half turn, 3/4 of a turn on this one, till it snaps off. So that sucks. But you can see here that it pulled some of it out, so now there's a little bit of a lip on there. So I'll go ahead and clean out like around the threads. There's a lot of rust in here, so I'm trying to get out everything I can and just make it easier and prep the area again to try again. So here we go, 2 washers. I try a wing nut this time, and you can just hear how stuck it is. So that one gave me about a turn and a half before it snapped off. And you can see there's quite one meat on there. So I try again with another wing nut. You can just hear how loud it is. Whining pretty much the whole way. But we were able to get it out. And we didn't damage the bumper at all. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you didn't, watch it once, twice, 3 times. Maybe by the 4th one you'll have liked it. And then go smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.